pros and cons of seller finance. I know what you're thinking. Seller financing sounds about as exciting as watching paint dry. But trust me, this topic is hotter than a tin roof in July, and it could be your ticket to property ownership or a smooth home sale. Let's start with the basics. Seller financing is when the seller of a property acts as the bank. Instead of you getting a mortgage from a traditional lender, the seller lets you make payments directly to them. It's like borrowing money from your uncle, except this uncle comes with a house attached. Now, let's break down the pros and cons, starting with the good stuff. Number 1, easier qualification. With seller financing, you're not dealing with banks and their mile-long list of requirements. It's like trying to get into an exclusive club, but instead of a bouncer, you've got a friendly seller who's willing to work with you. This is especially great if you've got a credit score that looks more like a golf score. The lower, the better, right? Wrong. But with seller financing, you might still have a shot. Number 2, flexibility. Traditional mortgages are about as flexible as a steel beam, but with seller financing, you and the seller can create terms that work for both of you. Want a longer repayment period? A balloon payment? Interest-only payments for a while? It's all on the table. It's like creating your own financial buffet. Just don't get too greedy, or you might end up with indigestion. Number 3, faster closing. Bank loans can take forever. It's like waiting for your teenager to clean their room. It might happen eventually, but don't hold your breath. With seller financing, you can often close the deal faster. No waiting for bank approvals or dealing with a mountain of paperwork. Number 4, potential tax benefits for the seller. If the seller spreads out the capital gains over time, they might save on taxes. It's like finding an extra fry at the bottom of the bag, a little bonus that makes everyone happy. Now, let's flip the coin and look at some of the cons. Con number 1, higher interest rates. Sellers are taking on more risk, so they often charge higher interest rates than banks. It's like paying extra for fast pass tickets at an amusement park. You're getting convenience, but it'll cost you. Con number 2, balloon payments. Many seller financing deals include a balloon payment, a large lump sum due at the end of the term. It's like cruising along in a nice car, only to find out you have to buy it outright in a few years. Make sure you're prepared for that big payment, or you might find yourself in hot water. Con number 3, less protection for buyers. Banks have regulations to protect borrowers. With seller financing, you might not have the same safeguards. It's like swimming without a lifeguard, fun, but potentially risky. Con number 4, difficulty finding willing sellers. Not every seller wants to be a bank. Finding a seller who's open to financing can be like finding a needle in a haystack. A really big haystack. In Texas. Now, before we go any further, I've got a little secret for you. If you're looking for properties available with seller financing or subject to deals, check out subtoyou.com. They've got a whole database of homes ready for creative financing. It's like a dating app, but for houses. Swipe right on your dream home. All right, back to our regularly scheduled programming. Is seller financing right for you? Well, it depends on your situation. If you're a buyer, seller financing might be a good fit if 1, you can't qualify for a traditional mortgage. 2, you need a faster closing. 3, you want more flexible terms. 4, you're buying a property that doesn't qualify for traditional financing, like that old barn you want to turn into a hipster coffee shop. If you're a seller, consider offering financing if 1, you want to sell your property faster. 2, you're looking for a steady income stream. 3, you want to defer tax payments. 4, you enjoy playing banker and wearing a monocle while counting money. Remember, whether you're buying or selling, it's crucial to do your homework. Get everything in writing, have a lawyer review the agreement, and make sure you understand all the terms. It's like reading the fine print on a fast food menu. You might not want to know what's in that special sauce, but it's better to be informed. In conclusion, seller financing can be a powerful tool in real estate, but it's not without its risks. It's like using a chainsaw, incredibly useful when used correctly, but you don't want to juggle with it. So, whether you're a buyer looking for an alternative path to homeownership or a seller trying to move a property, consider seller financing. It might just be the creative solution you need to make your real estate dreams come true. And hey, if all else fails, you can always try the age-old method of finding a genie in a lamp. Just make sure your first wish is for unlimited wishes and the second is for that dream house. Real estate genies are sticklers for specifics. That's all for today, folks. Remember, in real estate, as in life, sometimes you've got to think outside the box, or in this case, outside the bank. Happy house hunting!